Hi everyone. So welcome back to Design with Karthik and welcome back to Milestone project in my career. So far you might have seen several videos on this series, and this video it is mostly about a project. You can't say a project, a client who for the client who did several different graphic design collaterals for that client. And this project I have done in a very early stage of my career, but still it is one of my favorite and milestone project in my career. So come on, let's start. So this is the thumbnail which brought you here. Okay, so on an instant look at the thumbnail itself, you might be seeing the different social media posts. So this project is not just about social media posts. There is a wide variety of creative which I have done for the brand called Lotus Hotel. This project I have done when I was in my first company called Omnia Digital, and I was one among the team who was did so many creatives for this client. Okay, so but the whatever creatives I'm showcasing in this video is purely created by me. Okay, so it is again a wide range of creatives. It is not just a social media post. There are social media posts, newsletters, hotel promotions, ad creatives, so many wide range of posts I have created it. And the amount of graphic design stuffs which I done for this project for one particular client career, so it is like a 360-degree in brand building was done for this client. Okay, so that is what we are going to see. So this is one campaign for Valentine's Day. One of my favorite, most creative posts I have did till day. Okay, everyone likes it. Just with that bookmark thing, whatever doorknob, in the doorknob they'll be pasting like "Do not enter" or "busy." Something will be pasting at the outside of the doorknob, right? Which itself connects the hotel. So that I have used it and try to connect that emotion. So everything I have tried to give a minor tweak here and there with the hand and legs on face emotions, everything. So for example, feeling rejoiced, the face expression will be rejoiced. Feeling comfort, that eyes will be very subtle and hands also will be very subtle. Feeling safe, it will be like okay, that safety feeling I try to capture in the face itself. So that is how I captured it. Next thing, again the content writer did a great job. So it is like how the Mondays will be at the different, it is like this is a trendy format at that point of time. Nowadays every day there was some trending format coming in and out in Instagram, but that point of time at least a week or at least once in a while there'll be a trending format. So Mondays at Lotus, so that emotions is what I try to capture here. Okay, say Monday, other hotels if you stay, how the Monday will be. In Lotus Hotel if you say, it will be okay. So the content itself make me very creative. And almost in all these creatives which I did for this brand, I try to include the element of this color, their brand color orange, in the some or other way in the logo, in the creatives. Okay, sorry. And this is a quit smoking campaign. Okay, so this is again one of the favorite campaign, how to make people stop quit smoking. So it is conducted, it is this is nothing to do with the hotel's brand, but it is like educating people that we do care. It is telling like, oh, Lotus Hotel as a brand, we do care that we need people to quit smoking. Okay, so that was nicely portrayed in the creative. And again, this is again the same concept in a different way we try to project it. Okay, like cigarette how as a cigarette, what is having, it is having a face, it is like some person who is going to kill you. Okay, so that we are trying to try to bring out. And that red color dominates, and the red color instantly showcase it is a danger. So that is what we try to bring it out here. And this really receive a lot of appreciation from the client. Not only social media, we had regularly sending email newsletter also. So in newsletter also we try to capture so many things. For example, they have their own hotel called spices, so that spices we try to promote on the newsletter. And if we promote newsletter depends on the season. If there is a winter, then depends on the winter holidays was the package, and winter related thing will be posting it. If there is a summer, then summer vacation will be posting it. So this is how the newsletter, we constantly promote the brand, we increase the brand presence by different means. Okay, so this email newsletter is one sort of thing. Okay, and if there is any offer, room booking, if there is any offer, we try to portray it. So this is again summer offer. and this is again a summer based brand. Then this is again a Valentine's Day theme which we try to portray. Okay, these two are same thing. Okay, so Valentine celebrate your Valentine, celebrate your Valentine's Day with the Lotus hotels. We have this Lotus hotel photo, so that photo itself I try to use it in different way. This photo is pretty commonly mostly used, and also I have showcased room in a different way here. Here also I have showcased room. So every newsletter I will be showcasing at least rooms or their photos. Okay, here also I have showcased rooms. Okay, so that's how it is. And then carousel ads, so this is one of my favorite carousel ad which has good reach also. Okay, so generally the number of the photographs is very less. Okay, they will be having a very limited room photograph. So every time in newsletter I have used the same rooms, every time I use the same photograph. But this time in the carousel ad, what I have done is I have just cropped the rooms and I showcased in a different way. Okay, so they have taken the room in this 360 not 3 sorry in that isometric view they have taken the photograph, so it is easy for me to cut that images. So if you see, the carousel ad will be uniform, this will be going, this will be cutting, and then it will be again going. So it is very uniform. It looks like this carousel look like a seamless carousel for me, and this is one of the favorite carousel which I have designed. The font, the color choice, the room color correction which I did, it takes time for me to do this color correction, but still the color correction gives a subtle feel, and that's why this ads has performed really well. Okay, again one more thing, this is very simple thing, just I put the photograph thing, but the way I show the seamless carousel, it is really great, good for me. This also has performed better. Okay, so again we have very limited photographs, but with that photograph how I can showcase it differently, so that is what running in my mind. So this is a page like campaign, okay, which was running in a Facebook ad. So this is the images which you have seen in that newsletter also. So this image I cropped it out separately and I put somewhere in the clouds, so you stay in Chennai like never before. That vacation feel, it is like a vacation feel I try to give it. It's like a dreamland. Okay, the Lotus Hotels is a dreamland for tourist places, so that is what I try to project it area. And here if you see, experience comfort like never before. So sleeping on the cloud is something like it is like a dreamy feel, heavenly feel. So that is what it is like. If you are sleeping on the lotus bed, it is like sleeping on the heaven, sleeping on the clouds. Okay, so that is what indirectly try to portray it. So even though if I have limited number of photographs, I try to project it differently. So that is what I projected in this page like campaign. And also magazine ad, the client has made one point very clear that it should portray, showcase it directly. Okay, people should understand that this is a room, don't show your creativity here. That was told at that point of time. So directly the only the layout part we have concentrated it. And also magazine, whenever we are promoting it on magazine, we promote on the features part, what types of rooms are available, apart from this what are facilities is available. So that was we try to focus, and that is what we have given here. So magazine ad, so these are the some of the different magazine ad which I have showcased to. So I'm not showcasing all the thing which I have done for Lotus Hotel. Some of the best creative I am showcasing it. There are so many other magazine ads also. We have created half page ad, full page ad. We have created for Women's Day special offer also. So many things we have created. These are some of the best thing which I have done. And then they have their own restaurant called Spices. So Spices, they we created different menu cards. Okay, they have changed the menu cards frequently. We created different menu cards. So this is one menu card, okay, which has captured a lot of attention. Okay, this is another type of menu card. Again, there are some different category of menu card. They want menu card which is should be placed on the rooms. Inside room they are placing one menu card, at the hotel they are placing a menu card. Okay, in the reception they are placing one menu card. So there are different categories of menu card. So we have we have showcased some different features in each and every menu cards. Okay, for example, this menu card is different from this, but the content remains same. Okay, price may vary, depends upon the client's requirement, but the content remains same. So this one type of menu card, and this is a standalone menu card. The don't see about the content. This is like a special today's special. You can see in a table they'll be keeping today's special menu card. So that also we have created in a something creative way. Okay, so this is the in-room menu card. So different category of menu card design which you have done, that is also captured here. So that's it. So that is about this project. Okay, so the learning and takeaway is So the first thing which I learned is this project I have started in a very early stage of my project. My first company I have done this project. So how we are going to connect the content creative way, that is what I have majorly learned from this project, because content team will be giving away the content, but with that content how we are going to express your creative, whether that creative goes well with your business. Okay, content can be something which is definitely not related to the business. Okay, but you as a creative team, you as a graphic designer has to connect that content to the brand businesses. Okay, so that is something which I learned from this thing. If some content writer gives me any content, I can represent that content in a creative way which connects the business. So that is a major takeaway I learned from this business. And also one thing which we really missed out at the starting of this project is brand guide documentation. Each and every creative in this brand will have different font, will have different size of font, will have different color, although the orange is prevailing in most of the creative, but that is not the actual way. Okay, so we should have a fixed brand guide. This, for this brand you should use only these two fonts. Okay, 2 or 3 fonts you should have, 2 or 3 colors you should have. That was missing in this brand design when we are designing. So that is really, and also the logo placement, if you see, one will be on left side, other will be on right side, other will be on bottom. So these all issues were there. So that I have learned to avoid it from the other brand creatives. So that although the minimal amount of orange color was there, but that is not the way to do it. So have a brand documentation always is a major learning which I learned from this project. And best part is, if even though we have limited number of photos, the way to express that photos has given me a lot of creative power. Okay, limitation of photos has helped to improve my creativity. Okay, we have this photo, whether I should not use stock photo, so what should I do? Let me crop it and check it. Okay, let me place it inside the cloud, or let me place inside a box. So even though I have limited number of photos, how to represent that photo in a creative way, that is what I have learned here. So that is really a great learning for me. So why this is a milestone project? So definitely I can tell you that the amount of graphic design stuff which I done for this project is countless compared to any other project at that point of my career. Okay, being the initial stage of my career, doing this many design work was really a great thing. And each and every design was my learning, because there was a strong team to critique my design, there was a strong team to tell what's right, what's wrong in the design. I just improved each and every time whenever they are critiquing, whenever they are telling, oh, this is a bad design, this is a good design. And I try to get the best output from the team critics. Okay, so this project is definitely a milestone project. Like the similar project, I have done so many projects. For example, I have done Fit Kids. Fit Kids is a gym. For them I created different social media posters also. So it is not that only these 2 brands I have done the graphic design work. There are so many brands I have done that. These are the some of the top favorites brands. Okay, other brands also there, I'll be showcasing it in upcoming videos. Okay, so thank you all, thank you Omnia team, thank you everyone who is part of this Lotus thing. I am not the only designer in this project, but whatever design I showcase in this video, it is purely of the design which I have done it. Okay, there are so many other great designers. Mr. Jain is there, Mr. Vinod is there. They all are the great designers who have done much better creative than me. Okay, for this brand. So definitely this brand working on this brand was definitely a great learning for me. And this project will be remain always a milestone for me. Okay, so thank you all for watching this video. For any work and collaboration, do check the link in the description, do approach me, do WhatsApp me, do direct message me. And if you like this video, do share it and subscribe to Design with Karthik. Bye.